What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. First, let me apologize for no uploads last week and the single upload the week before. Obviously, those of you who have been watching the channel know that we've been moving into the new shop. Things have been torn apart, getting set up, lifts getting put together. The dyno is still not put together. We're putting in air, so we've got a lot to do. And as you can see behind me, my computer is finally set up, so I'm able to get back to editing. I have been filming some of the progression, some of the things that have been going on, the paint, the carpet, the desk, moving that together. So you will see in this episode some of the things that we've done and what else we have to do. One of the other things I wanted to quickly touch on is we didn't really schedule a whole lot of cars for this next week or so, not only because of the move, but also because we have World Cup. We have to get Fran's race car ready. Also, we do have that white C6 that we did that A&A kit, meth, fuel system, and flex fuel, obviously. That hits the dyno. That'll be first, and then what we'll do is we'll come back here and I'll show you the updates to the shop. Thank you to everybody who's been subscribing, sticking with us. We appreciate it. Let's get it going. Stock bottom end, LS3, A&A kit.
Yep.
Meth.
Yep.
Did a clutch.
Yep. Had a cam?
No, I already had a cam.
That's what I said, had a cam.
Had a cam, yes. Dyno, like 476 baseline.
It'll make more than that now.
I hope so. And flex fuel.
Even though I own a Subaru.
Yeah, Max.
Non-stop fun.
Paint's going on.
And they were like, "Oh, what time do you start operations?" And I'm like, we still got a lot of stuff to move." And they're like, "Oh, that's gonna be way better than what was in here before." I'm just like, wait until the dyno gets fired up.
Yeah, right? Our neighbors.
Yeah.
This is Bill's office temporarily. Until
TV stand and a TV and
to watch Price is Right, you know. So the main area is getting painted. Max and his crew. Max used to actually work for Fran and Race Proven back in the day in season 1.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a good move.
It was a good move. Look at me now.
So those videos are kind of gone, but I can find some clips of younger Max to throw in there.
Please don't.
This car actually came in, already had a supercharger on it. We're basically just putting a bigger cam in, upgrading the valve train. Trying to make some more power out of it. I was running low boost setup, only 4 pounds. We'll probably double that, go to 8.
So carpet got ripped up. We're putting carpet in today. Paint's going down. It's coming along. Coming along. The big desk is going right here. There's some LEDs in the parts room. Nice and bright. Must have monster fridge. What's up, fellas?
Probably put this on that wall back there so we can hang like accessories in it or something.
Accessories.
Stuff with drums.
Well, it's like the second glimpse. So it is coming together. We're getting stuff in places. Got a lot of banners to hang up, a lot of stuff to clean up, move around. That is the desk that was in the front office. That somehow has to go through the front door. Still not sure how that's going to happen. It was a nightmare getting it out of the shop. We were there till about 9, 10 o'clock at night, getting this thing out. This wouldn't clear the garage door, so we had to lower it on a floor jack, pull it out, jack back up, put it on a car. Oh, dude, it sucked. So a lot still to do. A lot of stuff everywhere. Got the dirt bikes. Let's go over here and show you Fran's F-body. That was in the back. That was a car that was on the showroom. This customer's car that was in the back. There's Fran's F-body. What was this? His like second, third car or something like that?
Something like that.
You sound great.
Thanks.
You getting sick again?
I have been sick, you know this.
You're always sick, so.
Nah, I haven't. This is the first time I've been really had like a sinus infection in like over a year. So pretty impressive for me.
That's good. I'm glad you're here, buddy.
But as soon as I got back from Florida, it went downhill. And now I'm sick.
A little dusty. For sale, by the way. No, I'm just kidding. You would probably kill me.
You just say for sale.
Yeah. I think this one's for sale.
Huh?
I don't think he would ever sell this either.
No, he's not.
I think he'd sell this one though. It's already caged. It's got about 10 grand worth of suspension and stuff in it. In there? I don't know. So yeah. I guess we're gonna make this corner kind of the machine area. The compressor's actually gonna go back here in this room. So there's already a room made, which is sweet. It's really dark there. Let's see here. Oh yeah. So it's like fuse boxes, water, Ethernet, all that stuff. So we're gonna put it back here so it's blocked by a wall. I'll probably put some sound insulation in here as well to keep it quieter. But having a wall and a door between us and the compressor will be way better. 8-bit. So these new box arrangements. Eric's got some nice lighting up there.
Yeah, I ordered a 20 by 30 picture of my Nova to hang behind there.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's so good.
That's pretty sick. I can't wait to get it.
You know what's pretty
The
sick?
picture of me, it's a picture of my Nova like in front of the Smith's Bridge.
Oh, the cell phone shot you took?
Yeah.
Terrible.
It actually looks pretty good on my computer.
Why is there
I Dropboxed it to myself so I could upload.
Why is there an Elmo?
I don't know.
Is it a Tickle Me Elmo?
It is, but it doesn't work.
Oh.
And then you have the best of all.
Oh, is that the doll of me? Yeah. You gotta let me see a close up of it because I can't see it.
Yeah, you can.
I really can't. Oh, you made the shoes red?
Yep.
Oh man. That is awesome.
There he is.
He's hanging by his neck.
And actually, he's got 3 zip ties on.
So Eric has an obsession with me apparently. He wants me hanging over him.
All right, this is like our main bolt cabinet. So we got to get this over there too. So
A lot of the
Sean, let's
machine
do that.
stuff.
Get that out of here.
This stuff's ridiculously heavy. There's a lot of the stuff you don't see until we move it, and now.
Tons of shit in here, dude, that you don't see.
Yeah, like a lot of this machine stuff that's along the walls that you never really see.
Not that bad.
I go one-handed.
Let's not get fancy now.
Wouldn't it?
So I know some people were asking about the Chevelle. The Chevelle plans and things are coming. We're still getting things for it, but you gotta understand, we are a shop. We have customers. Customers' builds come first. They will always come first before shop, aka Fran's builds. Some of the race car stuff does get kind of squeezed in there because it's got to make a race, but we can't just push customers aside to work on his personal car. So that's why no update as of right now. We will do a proper video though. We're not going to just like squeeze it into the episodes. We want to do like a build series of videos on just the Chevelle. So we're going to do it proper, kind of like what we're doing with Louis' car. So obviously any dyno content you're going to see is older footage from the previous shop. We're going to cut a hole in the wall like a fan, vent through that so it's not just bouncing off the back wall. So it'll vent out a little bit better. Dude, we don't even have any more lights in here and it's still pretty bright. The skylights kick ass. So I'm going to point out a couple of the pluses here. We also have insulation on the ceiling. I know to you guys you're like, oh, who cares? Well, in the winter, that's a huge deal. It got pretty cold in the old shop, so having that is huge. There's also infrared heaters. That's why we put the lifts and stuff over here. There's infrared heaters already here, so they'll heat up like the surfaces really nicely. That's huge. So little things. Little things.
Please don't.
I'll cut you.
Trying to go back over here. Back to this.
I see you got your poster.
Yeah.
So, taking out the rear for gear change for World Cup. Am I right or am I right?
You're right.
Dang it. I'm good. So obviously we still have a lot to do.
Dumb and Dumber over here.
Seriously. We got Tweedledee and Tweedledum hooking up air lines because we have to get air. The compressor and everything is back in that room. We did that the other day. So now the air's getting hooked up. So air line's gonna come down from there, up, over, down, keep coming along, and then it's gonna go down to the dyno. So still a lot to do, but we purposely didn't schedule a whole lot of cars during this time because we're gonna be so busy getting situated. And we've got World Cup, so.
Yes, we do.
Right now the car is geared for 8th mile, and because all of his events were 8th mile, if you missed that. But World Cup is quarter mile, which I love. And we're gonna get the gear switched out. Good to go. It's what, like November 1st or something? Basically Halloween to the 5th.
Halloween.
Yeah.
Halloween to like the 4th or something.
Yep. MIR.
Fran's leaving Tuesday, I think.
Okay. Matt, be careful laying all that pipe.
I'll be careful. I'll try my best.
Thanks, buddy. Freaking us out up there.
You got a T-fitting up there for that?
me! Hi! Oh my goodness!
Here, bud. Oh my god. This is Philly. Fletcher's dog.
Yeah. I seen him on the gram. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. New shop dog.
He is a cool dog.
You like my microphone? Yeah, be careful. Be careful there. Not trying to crush Fletcher's.
You gotta keep watching that.
I know. Oh my god, a video of Joey at the track this weekend in his V. What are you doing? Something Steve made, I guess.
It like shifted hard.
It shifts second or third pretty hard.
And he looked like he was gonna like fall out of his seat. What? What's wrong? What's wrong? Well, small update. Paint is done. Carpet is in. The big desk is in. I replaced some of these lights with LEDs. That was kind of a pain in the ass, but they are done, so it's a lot brighter in here. That one down there is not done. You can kind of tell the difference. Really yellowy, but much better. Getting there. Still a lot to do. Looks good. I know we've got air now. Right? So all the airlines are run. Compressor works.
One more to the compressor.
One more
To the dyno.
to the dyno.
Oh yeah, to the dyno.
To where the dyno will be.
Yeah, where are those wall mounts?
I had one.
They're just kind of like.
I want to hear it kick on. Or lock. See.
One there.
So everybody's gonna have their own little air jaunt. Eric's already got his hooked up.
Damn fucking right I do.
Hey.
You screw it, stud finder.
Stud finder's over there.
Why do you need a stud finder when there's one right here?
You find studs? Is that what you do? You would find studs.
You know what I do?
You find studs. You
I
found.
am a stud.
All right, the compressor is on. We can actually have conversations now with the compressor on. It's wonderful.
Matt, where's your airline?
Sweet tippy toes there.
Hang on, there's a slide hammer on top of it.
See, the compressor's on right now, and you wouldn't even know it.
I know it.
I hear it. Clear as day. Yeah.
It's very faint.
It is way quieter than it was.
It's way
I
better.
love it.
Yeah. There's no insulation in there. It's just the door.
Yeah.
That's it.
Just don't cover it up this time. And burn out the motor.
All right, that's it for this week's shop update. See you guys next time.